Check out these boots that are perfect for all year round, every season, outdoor, mud, dirt, snow, you name it. These are waterproof. I'm going to show you up close how they look also. They're great for being out in the yard, doing yard work. Now let me show you a little bit more up close. These boots come up halfway through to my calves, not quite to my knee. I think they are pretty true to size. I'm a size 10, so I got the size 10 and it fits me perfectly. And it is super comfortable. The insole is providing great support for my feet. I love that it comes all the way up, so splashing through mud, dirt, doesn't matter. Can use it while shoveling snow during the winter as well. The really cool thing is it has a steel shank, so that means through the middle layer of the insole, which you won't be able to see, but it has a steel shank which helps to provide extra support. And so when you're walking, you can see that the whole boot doesn't bend in half when you are squatting down. Otherwise, cheaper made boots, the whole insole would just kind of like crack in half, but these have a steel shank built into them, so it doesn't bend and break. It provides great support. These are just great, as I mentioned, for all weather, all season. They have tremendous slip resistant grip on the bottom of the shoe, so you can really walk through the dirt, walk through the mud, walk through snow, and still have traction on your feet. The nice thing is a little extra feature right here. This helps me to be able to take off my boot easily, so I can hold down with one part here to be able to take off my boot, because it has that extra built-in layer here, that extra thick rubber piece for me to be able to step on and take my boot off. It goes on super easily, and it also has a little grip right here to be able to hold on to be able to get your feet in and out easily by holding on to this as I take it on and off, which makes it really convenient as well. Super comfortable, super practical all year, doesn't matter what you're doing. Highly recommend these boots. Thanks to the brand for providing them for me.